What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rapman1109. I'm going to be here today to compare the real Toro Bravos versus the Rep Toro Bravos. So let's get straight into it. Off the back, man, you can see right here that the shades are different. You know what I'm saying? This is more redder, and this is more that light. So that's the main problem right there. But I mean, from far away, it's kind of hard to tell. So you wouldn't be able to. I mean, I don't think. If a nigga was standing here and a nigga was standing here, yeah, you'd be able to tell. But if you're just right here, you know what I'm saying? Like, I doubt you'll be able to notice. Another thing, the materials are a little bit different. Like, if y'all all know, suede is like a long fabric. You know what I'm saying? Like, long, like the hairs on them is long, and then nubuck is basically like the shorter version of suede. But this is nubuck. This feels like even shorter than nubuck. Like, it's not butter though. It's not butter, but it's not nubuck either. But it's not leather, but it's not nubuck. It feels like butter. That's what I was trying to say. It feels smooth as fuck, but it's not leather nor is nubuck. It's like a weird material. It's close to this, but it's not. Second thing, let's get into the tongues, man. They got the tongue pretty good. Pretty long. Black, you know, if you was gonna hit it, I'm suggest if y'all get any shoe y'all get Rep, I always hit it with a tongue thing. But you could just bend it down like that and hit that iron on it. That way you get this black line in the edge right there, you see? Because you can do the same with the Reps. You can make them do that. The tags are different. See the tags? That one's lighter gray than this one. Let's get on the side of the shoe. Everything seems to line up except for this part right here. This strip is supposed to be gray. See how this is all the bottom is gray? It's supposed to be gray, and that's because of that. That's really the main thing to me. The bottom's supposed to be gray. Fuck the black shit, the black spots, but the whole gray bottom. That's what's kind of different. Here's another look. The grays are slightly different, and I'm just being real technical on that. You can't even probably see it, but the Rep is more darker gray than the real. You can't really tell. Air Bubble's about the same. I think the Rep is a little bit more yellow, but yeah, same thing with that gray. That's really the main problem with that. Shoelaces are good. The wings are pretty good. This is like I don't know, it's hard to tell, but there's a different shade, but you can't pick up on that. It's kind of hard. Yeah, man, from far away, like not far away, but just from standing up and being by somebody, these are pretty good. These are pretty good Reps. These are the new perfects. So they did a good fucking job. Box size is different, of course. You see that the real's got a bigger box. But that's pretty much it, man. I mean, if you get short on cash right now and you want to go get you a pair, I wouldn't stop you. I wouldn't warn you not to. I mean, they're not that more fucked up off. Just it's all about how your appearance, man. If you jumping out fresh, you good. But if you jumping out looking sloppy, then this is what people gonna say. And that's the main thing. That's the motto to my life. If you want to step out with some Reps on, make sure you fresh. Don't step out looking half-assed, because then you will get called out. But even goes for authentics. Like, you can wear this and wear some fucking dirty-ass pants and shirt, and people gonna already assume what you got on is fake. So it's all about how you present yourself. So if you jumping out with a nice shirt on, nice pants, nice, you know what I'm saying, you just looking clean, and you got some Reps on, nobody's gonna even think. They're like, that nigga fresh. Like, this nigga's A1. He's all good with what he got on, I already know. And that's why I've never been called out. That's why people like Brooklyn ain't never been called out, or Godzilla, because they, and I'm pretty sure many of y'all haven't, because y'all, it's all about how you present yourself at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. Now, if you wearing some motherfucking foam reps, I can't help you. I don't give a fuck if you's wearing Gucci, Louis, and it was all real with fucking, everything was real. You know what I'm saying? Like, you looking like a goddamn medallion. If you wear some fucking rep foams, boy, you are looking like you're there. This is life, it's death. You're dead. Kill yourself already before you can do anything, because those are only shoes I would never suggest anybody to get. You never see me review them. I've had a pair way before I even was doing reviews, and I never caught another pair again, because it's a waste of time, a waste of money, and it's a waste of time for y'all to watch my video and me record. We'd be wasting our time. We could be fucking brushing our teeth. You know what I'm saying? So until they come up with some perfect foams or some shit, then you will see some. But yeah, man, I'm getting all off topic. These are the the Jordan 4 Toro Bravos real versus fake comparison. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you check my videos out. Cop these from Soul Dream. Cop these from Soul Dream. Make sure you check them out, man. It's your boy Rapman1109. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.